Andy Obi, I have from the data. You guys in here, but too high. A brand new day, what so you bear man, as a what the fuck, what to what is so. Maybe Boba, what it. But in the so I give it to what you know. Nokofio, Nokofio, it's what I mean. Nokofio,
Random music.
I be the mastermind, If you play me, I go show you. Bear my throne, I'm insane. Made like throne, my insane. Ebe mara minye juma. Made the margin in Yansan the Pesica. I didn't at it. You guys in here, but too high. A brand new day, what so you bear man, as a what the fuck, what to what is so. Maybe Boba, what it. But in the so I give it to what you know. Nokofio, Nokofio, it's what I mean. Nokofio,
Random music.
I be the mastermind, If you play me, I go show you. Bear my throne, I'm insane. Made like throne, my insane. Ebe mara minye juma. Made the margin in Yansan the Pesica. I didn't at it. Boy, see, Yansu, and pray what it. Would you see I'm not too? I do money to our Ubesu.
Hey. Hey, yo. What's up? What were they?
Muni, I'm tired though. I'm tired. I can't do this again.
Hey, Pasha.
Muni.
What were they? Who mommy attitudes and my bro, my bre? What were they?
This is not the life I bargained for. This is not the life I bargained for. Yeah?
Sorry, Bessie, Juma. This is what?
Me. I can't do this again. Munko baby, oh. Mazo crab and I'm done. See, I nearly hurt my nail. See. Why?
Oh. Who bedin Rabasem Ozongo? Pasha, let me tell you. Me, Muni, I cannot go and work and come and put food in front of you so I can't chop because I'm scared of you. Meboa. So one sorry I'm myself koye Juma no me kwashe wa ma won to see her.
Muni, I'm tired though. I'm not doing this again. A graduate like me, Muni. A graduate like me. You brought me, I thought you were going to give me a better life. This is what I get. Picking scraps and fixing ties and all that. Why? Muni, I'm tired.
So this job is not good for you. You can't carry scraps. You can't fix ties. You can't do metal job. You want decent job. What is a decent job to you? Tell me.
Muni, I'm not asking for too much. See, I just want something decent. Taking care of a shop or something decent, Muni. Not this hell of a life, Muni.
You want a decent job. Now write me the application. Write me the application. Oh, now okay. You want a decent job. No problem. I will not argue with you on this. Step out. Dare yourself and go out and see if the police will not chase you. Go. Swear down. The police will run after you.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Go. How dare you say, I can't do this crap job, I can't do this. Okay, fine. I am ready to do this job. Okay? I'm ready to do this job. Now what I need you now, because you are betting that I have to just try and manage with you like that. Step inside my flat and come out your rags from there.
Oh, Muni, I was only joking.
Enter there and get your things out. Out! It's not me. Me save you. Hey, let me put some sense into your head now. The perception you have about me, my neighborhood, my comfortable area, I want to correct them. You think that the people there Zongo will be mad people? We know they here. Let me tell you, this neighborhood is safer, is sweeter than even Islegon, than the Trasacos. This place will be each other's keeper. The police no fit come here because he be zongo. Cause my friend, my sister, they no go allow police take me away. It is, let's look. Advise yourself now before I get angry. Now I can't let you stay in the house and I will go to work. You understand? Fetch yourself your own feed. Get up! And if you think, let me tell you, sit down. You can sit here the whole day. You are still going to go the 3rd round. Over second, 3rd, 4th. Now this is so. How dare you? I'm going to come. And when I come back, you know, advise yourself. I'll put the sense right in your head.
Mediemi asasia bai. Mediemi teacher wate. Majumani more the bar. Hey. Walking time I know the play.
Sure, sir. I received a report that the two of you were frolicking again on duty.
Folic acid. Sir, there was no folic acid in the items we seized from the Ashawa women. No folic acid at all.
I didn't say folic acid. You were on patrol duty the night Reverend Father Boniface was attacked by the robbers.
We weren't even closer to the crime scene. We're far away from it.
No. Before we could get there, the armed robbers, they are already left. But they were very fast, like it was a boat.
That's not true. The report also indicated that you were on patrol in the same neighborhood. How do you explain that?
I said the person who wrote the report must be dreaming because we weren't even closer to them. As I said earlier, we were at this woman's bar until that we...
Shut up! You don't challenge me.
Sorry, sir.
I am going to investigate the matter. And if you are found culpable, I will personally sign for your relief off post.
Meaning?
He's going to fire us.
Fire. Like fire.
That fire, idiot. Which kind of fire do you have?
It's like we are going to stay here for a while.
Get out! Out!
So this is for the road.
Fools. I don't even know who enlisted them into the force. The so-called protocol
I be the mastermind. If you play me, I go show you. Be my tone, I'm sing. Me let you my sing. Ebe mara mi nyejuma. Me de margin in yansa ne pesika. Adwene na tija wate. Boy say yansu ye pray wate. Udi see am metu. Adwuma ni diwa ubesu. Ya toche wa ubehunu.
You see the way they eat the guy?
Yes, Shama wa ubesu.
You are eating the guy while playing music in your head and dancing to it. Mewa, I want a decent life. I want to live in Trasako. Oh, Trasako and Gareni and City way pa alongside and cut and Cabinet Beauty. Huh? It's Lego, the money you go use by this quantity of Gary, it can buy a cement. I bought down with you out and I want to have a decent life.
Nokofio,
Did you want to know me? Finish what is inside your mouth. Abort them. Muni, I am your mother. I am your father.
Baby, I drinking in your best in your bedi. Yes, that alone, yes, I run in a medi. So one man, super born and kagari. Page my baby, oh, ya wa pare. Fi send your brain, no day. Get it, ring me, come up on chintin free. No, your was on die. Nokofio, Tina, meto, my muti. Yeah, Nokofio, and you marry a Diana. Nokofio.
Stop! On the break.
Nokofio.
1, 2, 3. Yeah, you move. Get out.
Abai. Abai, so where mama?
And I want from the part 2. It's moto so. There's a man in Brodo, my dream. And of course, you are much as
Man, so where
where are you coming from? Park like this. Are you people siding? Bend down. My friend, Jawaza, quiet. From la. Touch your toe. Touch.
Relax. You are going to get to your point. You people walk wherever you're going to walk to Kumasi.
What wedding?
Abai, where the mama and Kaisia song.
Say
See anyone here, Juma?
No, talk too much. How much they earn?
Hey! About me tell me, sir. Hey! In fact, I am you. You are inside me. Why I no go chop again?
Muni, I'm not happy.
Why are you not happy? Because you're eating Gary. Because you think Gary is for poor people.
Muni, all jokes aside, I'm serious. See, I don't know where my mother is. Layla, may her soul rest in peace. Nanaya, she's dead and gone.
Washa,
Muni,
are you serious in life? You hear this thing before, each one for himself, God for us all. You hear me before? Are you not happy that you are alive? So I want you to consider saying them know they exist. Because them know they.
my mother.
As police come, you don't hear gunshot. You don't hear say people die.
Come to think of it, Mommy. You know what? I think you are my curse in disguise. You are my curse in disguise. If you have not misplaced those diamonds, I will be here eating this. Eating this, Muni.
Hey, Namarika. I'm what? I'm curse in disguise. How dare you? Do you know the plans I have for this diamond? Do you know? Huh? Look, where are your friends? First of all, where are they? Police will buy, you know, where are they? Aren't you happy that you are safe here with me? This diamond, I have plans there. Me, I'm not going to move from here. I'm going to fix this place, air condition it, put all the comfort, whatever I want in it, and live happy and never after. Hey, I am not attention. Because of your height, I can't stand up. I have to sit down and respect. I want to lunch that. Come on, this common gari, your children they eat. I can not finish them. That's all we have. Oh, Ayana, don't do this, please. Why are you doing this? This is common gari. You are a big man. You can't eat our food.
Muni, what's it? Where are common gari?
Abai.
Hey! You're sleeping in the cell.
Hey, counterfeit.
Oh. Counterfeit.
No one counterfeit.
Oh, no credit make actual. Na abesa me hu mu pa ban pa na me counterfeit atua mo ka.
Bra, o phone charge anyone mom fam bro na obedem. What obedem chime ho, memu adem. Ukra counterfeit edenam. Move the car. Move the car. Baba Farouk. Evidence 1. And no obedem pacha. Move the car. Obedem.
Ada, I watch me.
Bra. What did you say the counterfeit business? Move the car. Obedem. Sematro, much me ho. Nonsense. Counterfeit eduma.
Yes, people. See, we like to waste our time.
Move.
Yeah, no more. You must say, "Told na mama who actually a crowd."
Look for Papa or
Move before I change my mind.
I have bad.
Don't worry, this counterfeit will spend it.
Your father. I have brain
Hold on. I don't want to mix them with the original one. So this original. You say you want to call original one, so you go the whole fake.
Chris. I don't know you. May I keep the fake there? You give me the original later.
Could use and go chop kinky now.
My friend, will you bring the original one?
The first thing is smart now. You're right. Idiot. We did the business together.
And me do again. O catch him say, "Where come on, Gary?"
Yeah, you know, just
Gary, come on. O kwala tamema. Aduane asombo. Eye expensive. Eye Gary. Womo de ye jollof. Womo de ye pa. Ye di Gary. Etimi aben kwane nkata kwane. Adi ye la isu. Ye ni emu Gary. Timi de Gary de me yada pa. O de so hwe na mami ni ya. Na sa me kakra wa o. So be Gary na.
oh,
Abranti adding. Ma pa kwen ato hade. Wo bibi da hade a.
Herba. Where?
Oh, me no be din hu komo later.
David.
Okay, girls na.
Nothing no say ni pamusa.
Kokola na omo de links bi buy and ntime be gi tuo no a. Ye call ye. Etuo no on say na anya se mantua wo. Ye call ye nyame nko a police pie ye no. Na ye to say run for your life. Tell me who see we be see machi. Tell them prepare one and I. The most painful part is a diamond now. Me name say, me name Baba Swaggy up no. The diamond is nowhere to be found, you know. I can't find it. It got lost. I'm broke. It's like
Uka and Simbe diamond Simbe bla. Uka sabena minim say one second. Nambeka se membie. Walusu.
never that.
Nasa me pa na men sakaya. Kame pusu meridium. Kani pa nyina batimenka. Kame first ka. Ayo golf too. Me bua ba mo.
No, I na respect.
Officer, are you okay?
Okay, be okay.
Hello, Inspector Ajekuti.
See, my body they hot now. I'm not ready for this. It's just 1,000 Ghana cedis. That's what we take. Once it's because is you because it's 1,000. Look at and there's an officer. It's an officer. Please let's make it quick
What?
so I can put your name.
Listen, do you know who I am?
You're a cocaine dealer. When we see you, people we know you hit somebody and kill.
What? A cocaine dealer?
Oh, it's 1,000. Please, you're wasting time, sir. Do you have any idea how much we take on a normal day?
Hey, but sorry, 1 minute.
What is it?
Remember what happened the last time?
What?
Kit will be any little amount, take it like that. 1,000. If he doesn't have 1,000, he take 100 cedis.
This man is a cocaine dealer.
Buy you any amount to do. Okay? Quick. I'm suffering.
Okay.
Boss, carry on. But
He said the man is dying, and he just came.
Hey, that's how he is. You hit him in the leg, he can manage it. That's how he is. So bring 500. Bring 500.
No, to cut everything short, let's take this 50.
50. Make it 500. It's not because anything. It's because you are a big boy and we don't want to drag.
You've already wasted my time, so let me just add another 50. And then just.
How much is that?
Another 50.
To make it 100. We can't share this. See, let's make this thing quickly. Bring the 500. You're a big boy. Let's make it quickly. See, we've been standing in the sun for a very long time. I don't want to ask for your papers. I want to make it very quickly.
Come here. Nanka mabubu fast house. Invite on the nipa wo play esuan. Ahi ko ena kam. Shishenimu. Wo sanipam. Nesuwe bam.
Ana. Intino.
Esa me ba mepe kakra.
Dia kwa yesisi na. I to say line no fedi outside now. There's a fairly nyina no. So we are back to just a struggle like reality. Jumana me and I. Me Bob was kind of I may settle. And I make my color smart. So seven come. I can't call I know I could diamond. Me no Jimmy found your mushroom or more.
You're smart. Hello.
I know about
Why penny when you say, oh, Fedian man crying for Yanko, and I.
Me yenny hello, many cars when I'm a pampo. Come a pack. Hello, Cacano.
Come up. I come up.
To do a line as well.
Maybe they were one at it. To be any line as
Again.
I know my men Becassa. So when you I bet me have to make a school.
Baby,
I'm doing your message. And there were bems.
Or the message of a cat in the young man.
I know 49, I can't run.
I'm taking any tutu. Must wear
my cat says you should not mind the body.
Mind
you should try the engine.
Yes, a 1 year man. A 1 yet you should
close the eyes and try the engine.
One milk plume. No whom sent.
Yes.
I say water can. Oh, prune. Oh, baby, bit him do I could.
Yes.
Milana.
When I would try my come up to the copper.
I didn't be similar to wish.
Oh, Chino.
Milano motorway.
I know. Respect.
Medin Clavia man or Bama, why? Obeka be actually why.
I and I. Respect. Respect.
Jepe e ibidi. Why? We all turn out to me the pet. Bibi kakra. Why? We sabe mamu pepe me. Kasi me do. You know pani a second. Ya kabila. Aba. Me you so. Where I am.
Do you really know who I am?
Tell me.
I'm Lawson.
Law?
CEO 1 in this country.
But you just can't me out quite.
Lawson, CEO. So we were playing. I should have just told you to kill him. You have the right.
Let me take over. Operator.
We were joking.
Lawson Group of Companies. I've been applying to your company ever since.
Before police came.
I want to change this career of mine.
I can change your livelihood right now.
Wow.
Take you out of this street. And you will come and work in an office.
Forget you knocked me down, This it's already not
it's
good.
It's very functioning.
So I don't know if we can come by your office and apply again.
You take my card and pass by the office anytime.
No, anytime. I'll call you every minute.
Yes, anytime.
Just to keep you reminded.
Oh, please don't lose the card.
I'll lose.
We are. No. Oh, no. No, keep it.
Use it for food, don't worry.
Where your card? No. Keep it.
In fact, you can even give us half, but we won't take it.
Okay, I'm already late, so I'll go now and wish you all the best.
So we will call you.
Okay, sir.
All right.
Let's go.
Okay.
Thank you.
You should have taken the 100. You made me.
100 what? Now we have an opportunity to apply for a job.
Yes, but
leave this thing.
The 100 will pick transport.
Yes, come in.
Sir, you called.
Yes, sit.
Sir, you know when you call me for such meetings, it's one of two things. It's either it's a crucial information or it's some good news online.
There is something important that I need to discuss with you.
Yes, sir.
You know, you've been wanting to be promoted to a junior associate for a very long time.
Yes, that's it. Yes.
And promoting you to such a position is not a bad idea at all.
I tell you, boss. Look, you know, I thank you so much for the considerate movie I'm making. Look, I would never disappoint you. I will make you proud. I will share my family people. They're listening. I will share all of them. This is too much.
Let me finish.
Oh, sorry, sir. I was a bit too excited, you know. Sorry.
You see, now that Nonaya is not here, you stand a very good chance of being promoted to a junior associate.
Yes, sir. Okay.
But
there's a but?
Yes, it comes with a challenge. And the challenge is you need to go out there and get a big fish, get a big case. Because in the legal profession, you need popular cases for your company to be popular. So we need to get big cases and win those cases. And I want you to go out there and get big fishes so that we can win the cases and be popular. That is what is required of you for you to be promoted to a junior associate. Are you here?
Yeah, I'm here. I've heard you. I've heard you, so I'll work at it. I was listening to everything you said, and I will do that. I will do exactly that. I will catch the big fish. Wow! I don't have a net, but I will catch fish.
Precisely.
Yes, I'll catch. So,
no big fish, no promotion.
One fish, one promotion.
One fish.
No fish, no promotion.
No fish, no promotion.
One fish.
Exactly.
One fish, one promotion.
Exactly.
Thank
you can leave now. Yeah. Thank you.
One promotion, make you go catfish. What kind of nonsense to be this? Make you go a big fish. I be fisherman. If I dey play football like Banas, I dey man you. Off season, with the chill plus girls. We can foolish job grab be this. Small promotion will give man junior associate. I don't want senior, junior. Man, go catch big fish. You did this your mouth like you go fit two big fish. You don't even talk small fish and make I go buy for you. You go talk say go catch small fish. Then maybe some Keta school balls or some sardines. Go catch big fish. Man, like this your mouth, you go fit make two man. This so all these old people they go to die. Go to die anyhow. So old man, you die, then give you what a shock. Of course, you are shocking the youth. All this your ghetto you go talk say bombo class, fire burn you. nonsense with this? Every time
Were you talking to me?
No. I was talking to myself. You know, I was getting in the big fish zone. Yes, the big fish project.
The big fish project?
Yes, I'm meditating now.
Dixon,
talking to myself.
Dixon, you know what? I like it when I see young men trying to motivate themselves.
Exactly.
And I see you as a self-motivated person.
Yes.
Okay, so you just go ahead and face the task ahead of you with all the zeal and energy that you have.
Thank you.
To be able to get a big fish.
The big fish, yes.
That's good. Big fish, big promotion.
Yes, sir. Nice.
I'll be going to the Court of Appeal this afternoon.
Okay.
So take care of the place and make sure everything is right.
Oh, fantastic.
Okay?
Fantastic.
So talk to you later.
All right, boss.
Take it easy.
Safe.
Take it very easy.
Easy.
You understand?
I tell you.
Easy does it.
That's right. Easy big fish, yes. Yeah, big fish project. Near project. They're going to Court of Appeal. Court of your mother. Foolish old man. Your stomach like this thing. 3-bedroom house. Also.
Oh no!
How are you?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Your particulars. Cutlass. Oh, you have a cutlass?
My friend, you have a cutlass in your car?
Yes.
I put it to you, an armed robber.
He's a criminal.
How can you have a cutlass in your car? You're an armed robber. You're a criminal. You have a cutlass in your car.
It's not right. You can't have everything in your car.
My father actually sent me to the site. He asked me to go and give it to the people over there too. For the armed robbers to use it to kill people. No, you read the place. The place is bushy. Yes.
Yes. Coffee. Cough. I did not say you should show me your coughing skills. I say handcuff.
Handcuff. I left my handcuff in the house. I've put it on charge. Did you bring your own?
Hey!
Huh?
Hey!
What?
How did you become my partner?
What kind of nonsense question is that? How did I become my... I left my handcuff in the house.
You left handcuff on charge?
Yes.
Handcuff.
After using it yesterday, I have to put it on charge.
It was low. Okay. Where you? Give me your TV license. You have TV license in the car. You don't die. See, my brother, you see, we are officers of the law. And we are doing our job. And you see, when we are standing like this by the roadside and asking for papers and all those, it's not like we really need the paper. We need the other paper.
Want me to give you money?
No, you don't put it like that. Just
okay, I get it.
You know our language. This is how we roll. You make the job easy for us. Everybody win. It's a win-win affair. Where is it? No, we We don't do mobile money. We don't do mobile money. Don't give us mobile money. Hello? Yes, Daddy.
Yeah, have you gotten there?
How can I be on time when your people are here disturbing road users?
Who?
They're even taking money from me.
Oh. Hey! What do you mean we are taking money from you?
They're even using their stick on me.
Hi. It's this one using the stick, not me, please. Don't.
Let me talk to them.
Yeah, talk to them.
Sure, sir.
What do you mean by that?
No, yes, sir. No, sir. No. Yes, sir. No, sir. Yes, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Consider yourself fired.
No, sir. No.
Yes. Let me talk to my son.
Oh! What's Commander saying? You are fired. Fired from...
Next time you know who to stop.
We were joking. See, it's a normal joke we do every day. We were joking. Can you call your dad and tell him to? We were joking. Hey! Hey! What did Commander say?
What did Commander say? He said it's his son. We are fired and we don't know our job. We are fired. I told you we'll be fired very soon, but you did not listen.
You are bad luck human being. I swear you are bad. Ever since you tagged with me to do this police work, everything has gone from good to bad. Why? What have I done to you?
Are you stupid?
You are smart one,
Are you stupid? I've been the one taking record, keeping things in order.
Ever since we came this morning, they see the crying now. But you
see the baby, didn't you notice him? Haven't you seen him before with Commander?
Now we have to return our uniform. We've been sacked.
I be the mastermind, if you play me, I go show you. Bear my tone, I'm sing. Me let you home, I sing. Ebe mara mi nyejuma, me de margin in yas in yeba to yai. A brand it here, what so you bear man as a what the fuck, what to what is.
You wash am?
I wash am.
What's up? You for wash am again?
Can't they go wash? The washing machine.
Now, they are not there. Nobody's here. Portia, I get something to discuss with you. To be honest, I get something to tell you. You know, we say discussion.
How you know? I start you.
Listen to me. I say you want this job.
Hey, I get that. I know go be bad.
Yeah, I find some. To be honest with you, as I was coming from 400 meters away from here, my mind was roaming about in my head, thinking aloud. Thinking about what? About me and you. How we can survive here, make money. And I can assure you, I came up with some idea B. That idea, we are going to be rich. This strategy, I see say, we go make am. We are about to be rich.
Money, crowd. As you they can, I did my peace territory. My heart mami pass. Your ideas, they are cooked up of mischief. Nothing better if it doesn't involve you robbing someone getting shot, or the police. No, nyawo. Money, no. Your idea, carry what I go again. Nah.
Listen to me, Portia. This idea is called time changes.
Time what?
Time changes. Let me tell you, I am an I-read person. Yes. Yeah, I was all about knife, a tool, America, police demo. But this time, cool down for Jesus. Because this time, it's new level. The level we say, people are smarter than what we are thinking. It no be gun matter. It no be police.
Sir.
This business, all I need from you is to keep your mouth shut.
Only that.
Take a look or go with me in my journey of thinking. Be with me, be with me.
That's come and see.
Yes, sir. You are collecting bribe from people, even your own superiors.
Never mention that word. Never ever.
No, sir, we didn't take bribe. The only thing we did, we only took mobile money.
A.K.A. Sole.
And that is very small.
In spite of all my warnings, you are still on the streets misbehaving.
As for misbehavior, there is missing us. We have not misbehaved in a very long time. We are very sorry. We don't do anything, sir.
I don't believe you because I contracted him myself.
Sir, let me tell you, that man tried to bribe us. He tried to give us bribe. And we said, no, we won't take it. Sir, in fact, that word bribe, it's not in our dictionary.
No.
We stand by our reputation. We never take bribe. We've never taken bribe.
As a matter of fact, it was because we decided not to take the bribe. That was why he got upset. And put that call to you and called you to complain.
He has videos and recordings to prove that you had wanted to take bribe from him.
This one is serious one.
I am going to write for your termination.
Sir. Sir, please.
Sir, please, we didn't take bribe. The whole thing was, it was an experimental process.
Exactly.
We wanted to experiment and see how bribe taking is like. I've never held bribe.
Never?
No, I've only read it on
You know the thing they say about police, and police will take a bribe, bribe, and we just say, okay, let's just experiment it and check how it works. That's why I gave out my number.
If I make this call, your case will be seen.
This business I'm about to blow, I'm about to tell you, I'm about to face, I'm about to make it a reality, is going to make us billionaires. Have you imagined people in the traffic thinking that they are disabled? The people that we think, most of them, they are not. Look, we are going into the traffic.
Money, I don't get you. This your foresight, this your vision. I know they see. I they try travel plus you, but I know they see. What did they talk about?
Look, inside traffic there are people selling ice water, minerals and all that. We don't get time for that. But there are people there where people think say they are sick and then they sympathize with them. Have you thought of how much the disabled, the blind people, the sick people, how much they make daily? Listen, I am ready to recruit young people. People that are already, looking like sickless, to go to the street. Some are going to be blind, some are going to be cripples, some are all type of sickness, infondosocomiasis.
Money.
Money.
Some follow map na elo draw na. My peda kanya there. One I would change a corner was stress na obi ba 10 pesos, 20 pesos. Or na face it, wow, but them way do on a play at the far. That's where you want us to go to.
Sir, please, sir. Sir, please. Sir, I see my case is even more serious than the call. Because I have 5 children, 10 sisters, 16 brothers, and 12 grandmothers and grandfathers. And 4 girlfriends, sir, I cannot afford to live without a job. They all depend on me.
I have 12 sisters. 3 work on your call. Half of my brothers, I call 4 choir, my daddy and my father always say, I also Take after him. But my whole basa, my whole bed 35. Only let me baby come. Say I swear, if you give me this job back, I'll go and look for all my kids, and I'll be a responsible father. I'll look after them very well. No more bribe money. I will never take bribe again. What?
I don't care the number of family you have. Just leave my office.
You could.
Sir, it's John, though. Yeah, I don't want to take it.
I am going to write for your termination.
Oh.
Yes.
Sir, it's not my fault, it's John. John asked me to give up my daughter.
Why message by the man to the one told me to take a bribe?
If I make this call, your case will be very serious.
Sir, the call and this is a serious case. The money is still in the wallet.
You come at me who are begging mommy.
Leave my office.
Multiply 50 pesos times 500 people every day. 500 people should give you 50 pesos. And you know, be say be 1 person or 2 person. I'm recruiting about 20 girls. 20 girls, boys and girls. Them dead the street. Imagine say every day they can make sales 50 Ghana.
The money.
Even 20 Ghana safe. All I need you to do is to shut up. Buy exercise book and pen. Come sit down every day. All you need to do, take my sales for me. 50 Ghana, 100 Ghana.
Muni, just say that be all we could do.
That be all. Because look, I want to make this place comfortable. If not, when we get the money, we move out of here.
If you know be today, I don't know say you get sense. Ha! Muni.
Go ba fair, me fair ready. Ba, what fair together? Bona no ninjo.
Ina nini ochong.
That's all.
Hey Muni.
Give me fans.
Hey Muni. You do all. Empress Muni. Goddess Muni. Muni. What's up? Basama. Wasawala.
Congratulations. I know you're brony dear. Now coming back to my motherland is me mamu amo, me mamu akwaba, momo semo. I am very, very, very happy to see you today. You are the finalist. Audition me ya no, mona ma next level, ma passing, my idea. I thank God for your lives. Now this business we are about to do, all I need from you is sincerity, faithfulness, truthfulness. That's all. Adult music. Now for somebody to think this kind of thinking, I went far to think like this. You are going to share yourself. Choose your partner. Select yourself. Choose. One blind, one lead. One blind, one lead. Now, I know how this job, it could be difficult sometimes. Going round begging for money is not easy. It's not easy at all. So the sales, I make them small. 50 Ghana. Whether you like it or not, you have to bring that 50 Ghana. And may I take this opportunity to introduce my secretary to you? This is the secretary. You pay to him, you sign, you put on date, then you go home. Now, location, you share. Every traffic light, I have my employer there. Every traffic light. Jolly traffic light. La Paz, Dakoma, Kaneshi, 37. As for traffic light there, it's plenty in Accra here. You understand? Plenty traffic lights. This very time is blundalization. Next time we go to crippleization. We are getting blind this term. Say blundalization.
Blundalization.
Next time is crippleization.
Crippleization.
Good. I beg you, I don't want trouble. Chop make a chop business be this. Anybody get trouble? Anybody get answer or question to answer?
Big Mama, you know how you talk say if we go we get 50 Ghana, make I can give you. So like me, I go where I get more than that. I fit chuck the other one and give you the 50 you want to know.
Hey!
Of course, when you make more than...
Am I the entrepreneur? Am I not the speaker here? Are you the speaker? Now, white man.
But you know how you talk say it be 50 Ghana. So like I get like 200 Ghana. I feel pocket the 15 then give you the 50. I mean you know.
Hey, shut up! Shut up! The thinking that went into this business before you guys are on board. No. Do you know the fasting and the prayers? Listen, white man. I like your color, but I don't like your mind. Your thinking, I don't like. You make 200, bring the 200. You make sales 50, the 150. I'm human being. I consider we share that 150. It not be bad business. Oh, what are you talking about? What are you talking about? Yes or no, white man? Yes, thank you. Give me 5. Thank you, white man. So, one thing I want us to discuss too is about the location. Once the location be one no more, the target base is an upper to a rear. And then you relax till you then you go back to your post. Any question?
Mama, sorry you. So location na ye ni fra wom no. Scan shadam ba. E betumi bie ye ni na nkan tentem ya pe be fufura kwagina nka. Ye dia piska.
Who baby we ni wokwamu? Why do you have a partner? You are trying to tell me, say, if this location is not good for you.
Me scanning ba.
Scanning ma o person o system. No. You know, we are doing this thing with barcode. Security there inside. As I'm thinking, if I know say you did La Paz, when I hear any giddy for La Paz, I can look for you and save you. So if you leave La Paz, you go there, come and there's problem, you face your own problem. You got me? Yeah, ma'am. Listen to me. One important thing I want you to know. To be able to make my sales, especially my sales, the 50 Ghana, no. What strategy I want to give to you free is that you don't target the trotro. Them, oh my hot chem. You target the big cars. You yourself, look at that Chad and Mauritania children. Do they like trotro? No. The children, they target big cars with number plates, big number, current one. I beg you, don't go to any U or Z car, or S or T or R. The least you can go is maybe 12. And again, I think some of you have to change the look, especially the mesh people. You have to disentangle or remove of the...
Disrentangle.
That disrentangle, and then you leave your natural hair.
Your nervous is very simple. You just have to breathe in and breathe out. It's very simple. Let me show you. You breathe in and breathe out. Oh, you Chris! You did Chris! Sorry. That's by mistake. No! The breathe out section is...
John, no!
It's not my fault. But see, that's the whole trick. Can we move forward? I'm sorry.
I even go buy shirts. I go buy shirt.
You went to buy shirt?
I bought 2. You're my brother.
One for me, one for you.
One purple. Now the purple is my own. I'm starching it. By the time I enter the interview, and the spread enter like this, we have the job.
I always tell you, you don't use it. You don't use it.
What?
You bought 2 shirts. What are you using 2 shirts for? It's very important to smell nice whenever you approach or you enter into a corporate office. So they will smell you and give you the job.
But I will smell nice.
How you? Have you ever smelled nice in your life? Smell. Are you okay with it? If you're okay, I'm okay. You smell like a rotten Kobe. Do you know rotten Kobe? You have to smell like. That's why me. I used my money to go and buy perfume.
You bought perfume?
Yes.
God.
But I don't have a shirt.
I'll give you one shirt now.
John, my brother. Farouk, my boy. My brother from another my boy.
So you be man as a what the fuck what to what is you me boba what me the so I give it to what you know Nokofio Nokofio it's what me Nokofio Nokofio
Random music.
I be the mastermind. If you play me, I go show you. Be my tone, I'm insane. Me let you my essence. Ebe mara mi nyejuma. Me de margin in yansa ne pesika. Adwene na tija wate. Boy say yansu ye pray wate. Udi see ya metu. Adwuma ni diwa ubesu. Ya toche wa ubehunu. Yes, shema wa ubesu. Obi antuni collection. Want to collection. Want to collection. Nokofio, Nokofio.
Road the rhythm, run the
check scan check ni hu ahia nya ne
gane yenye skebia yanko madam one konya account
wo ka se nipa be sheda ka se na efra na da foma na check scan na mi hu ne me ho
na so ka se is se mi medu echi se ni free ni worker
o mo ade ahun agete wo na wo ye genuamuni na mma na ye genuamuni o genuamuni no e hwan what do you say? Your brain is like your height. You are thinking like your body. Oh, drink to say honam. Hey, genuamuni who so you see?
Me peka so wanna see me.
Who so you see? I see so dey adwin kese ato. Who dey check na me hu me the plan bi ba.
You dey plan here then. Plan here then.
Me say check me.
Yonko.
So you be man as a what the fuck what to what is you me boba what me the so I give it to what you know Nokofio it's what me Nokofio
Random music.
I be the mastermind. If you play me, I go show you. Be my tone, I'm insane. Me let you my essence.
Something small, boss. Something small. Boss.
Yes, shema wa ubesu.
Ezekiel Amankwa.
Boss is blind.
Ezekiel Amankwa.
Boss is blind.
Who is blind?
He's blind.
Do you know him more than I do?
From childhood.
From childhood? Which childhood? Do you know me?
Dixon.
Now you call me Dixon. You the social criminal life, so you know.
Relax now.
Relax for where? You didn't see. I stand to it up. See your eyes. If you be blind, then me I be cripple.
Hey, take the money, then come.
See what you do yourself.
Give me 2 cedi for inside.
But Auntie Moon.
Forget the money, meet me for the chop bar there.
Chop bar. She blind, but you know how they chop for chop bar.
Hey,
everyday criminal things on you they do. Why? Walk you for where?
Hey, they say your life this.
My life this.
You dey drive car.
You never serious. Every day you dey play. I dey drive car.
People will give me money and take me go the car inside.
It be fucking knife for the drive. Don't stop wasting my time. Listen, take my call car. Call me. When you receive your healing, call me.
Hey,
what
say
is this?
that.
Oh, go away.
Hey, this is too much. Hey, one lie I go call you. Hey, Dixon. Yeah, Dixon I go call you. Hey, if you this. Hey.
Some girls with big daddy. Nokofio, I say a word for Bonko. Penny better we dey run things like Bonko. Let's say yes, soon your man quiet. Oh, yeah, boni pass a pompo. Somebody make you hustle.
Pasha.
Money.
Where's my money today?
What money?
Today's sales, of course.
No one has brought any sales.
Obi, am I?
No.
The girls do no come.
Lie.
What do you mean they no come? The is after 5 is 5. It's after 5.
Say, Obi and Tuni and see her day. One bay.
Nobody brings sales.
No one.
Ha! My God. No, this is not true. This will not be true. Hey, you are chewing already. You are sitting down, relaxing, chewing already too. Labor long time, I can't tell some money Juma after 5. They should be here by 5:15. It's more than 5:30. No, I'm sensing something. I'm sensing something, Portia. I need money. Hey, I'm talking to you. You are chewing this. Huh?
Money. Masa. You came, you met me in my office. You said you are the boss. I'm the secretary. I'm in my office waiting for them to come. What else do you expect me to do?
Give me.
Eradi da wasi enewi abri. Ye peja fufu de ba onyankopon anim. To be on the safer side. To be on the safer side, obi ama nsa so. Ye bompai. Obi ama nsa so. Ye bompai. Eradi da wasi. Amen. Ye nyane say de bia anke ye pepa. Nanso wankasa unim. Eniti ye mpa bone se eradi. Ye kwagina pound ye seseska. Eradi me nya ne bebre. Amen. Me nya ne bebre. Eda ye nye skampo na nya ne ye de bedi fufu ati say ye. Amen. Ye se ne ye opɛ ye say ye bia na eradi. Eradi mane ho garida. Amen. Yehowa mane ho garida. Amen. Empo ni oti ye ntama opɛ ye say ye no Jesus. No be kwa poti ye to akire mu ni. Yehowa ohun gari no kra mane hwengu. Mane hwengu. Amen. Ne mom ye di no. Ye stress asafo eradi. Wankasa boa ye ne ntumi ni ye. Eshe odi goku na nua. Amen. Amen.
Yazim ye betu ya. Obrane de wa ba wate. So ye be man as wote fakwa wote wadi ezo. Me bo ba wate. Me de so wa give to wate no. Nokofio fio noko fio Kitu ami. Nokofio fio noko fio
Random music.
I be the mastermind, if you play me, I go show you. Be my throne, I'm insane. Me let you my sing. Ebe mara minye juma. Me de margin in yansa ne pesika. Adwene na tija wate. Boy see yansu ye pray wate. Udi see a metu. Adwun mani diwa ubesu. Yatoche wa ubehunu. Yes, Shama wa ubesu. Nokofio.
Muni.
I need money. You are telling me what?
Muni, calm down.
You are the secretary. Do you pay any bills in this house? Huh?
Muni, I'm doing the job you gave me.
Where's the exercise book? Where's the exercise book?
I'm waiting for them. No one has come here today. Muni, calm down. Calm down. Yesterday was a good business day. They all came around. I'm waiting for them. Obi and Ben.
I am feeling it. I'm feeling it.
Muni, give me my sugar cane.
I'm feeling it. No! Somebody want to be smarter than me. Me, Muni. Me, one and only Muni. Me. When I see that somebody want to cheat on me like that, he pay me. I want to die myself. I want to kill myself.
Muni, calm down. You are overreacting. Calm down.
My instinct is telling me something.
Your instinct is wrong.
And I believe it better than the moon and the sun. I mean, better than the president. I believe my instinct. Better than my MP. Better than anybody apart from my mother.
Calm down. And stop talking about the instance and all that.
Look. I feel that somebody is cheating on me.
Yesterday, they were all here to make accounts for what they made. For all you know, today is a bad market day. So they are staying a little longer to make up for the losses they made during the day.
Yes. Hey. I am sensing it. I am sensing.
I said, oh, come.
You. I thought I was in this business with you. I thought we were in this together.
There she goes again.
And money is not in you, and you are not even crying with me. You see that I'm about to cry. Let me see your face. I mean, getting closer to my own. Try, modify it small. Your face is straight like that. You don't think of me. I'm in this house. I pay all the bills. I pay all the bills here.
It is only 5 o'clock. They will come. Give them to at least even 6 o'clock.
Why are you defending them? Why are you defending them?
You chop your mouth inside now you set it. Me, I get some mind way. Me, as I did the sign inside, the sign they scotch me one side where the thing hit my mind. But I said no. As we chop finish like this, where we all we make up here, I for drop the bomb, make we see say no, it be good thing. The way I cross Chad border, cross Nigeria, enter Benin, then Togo. Before I reach a flag, come here. I for no wait, make a way, put somebody pocket inside. People you understand. Muni say make to give him 50 Ghana. So like today like this, we all we make some make like you like this, you make 20 Ghana, you day off you make 50, 70, 80, me like this I make 100. You bab. So we go take the 50, go give Muni. Then the one way it left for you Paul go come put for my day, make a hold. So. You understand?
True talk.
You say what? It be welfare. So say every time I will close her, we go get something chop. The rest of the money make it day my day. You understand?
Yes, I understand.
Make it day my day.
Hold on.
I love you in it.
Hold on. Maka say ye Jimmy na tete ya no. Ye hu ye nim de kosoro. Se muni no ye try say be gigi ye hu afi ne ho no. Ye scan wi a ye 50 koma muni a. Ne de dia aka na brew.
Well of course mama me
say enya two masters. I say enya bad. O ka say Jimmy na tete ya no.
Hey, Magaji, I don't mean.
Don't Magaji me.
What's your problem? Why say anything I go talk behind you get my talk?
When na Monica know. You know you say you like your color, but you know like you are brain.
Magaji, you know how I cross chat border.
You are thinking like
you know how I cross chat the former.
Yeah.
You what you are talking sense. You talk your brain
like your cat. Jamie na make tabi shalo ni say of kana mi shot. When say of no kana mi shot. Abeg.
Mummy no, era mudi ye kan. Tese money ye mpanimfo. Mona mutu a na de ne yetiem. Business yi mo na mama direction ne akeka. Nti mudi adwen ya bai. Tese ye be ne den.
See, this is the plan. As you guys are talking, this is make quiet. Because the argument they do be some zonto argument. It be simple. You work, we all work, we keep our money. Simple.
That's
You know they take give anybody. I dey like. Okay. That be all.
And
That be the plan I get. Thank you. Why? You know they agree.
No, brother, that what now?
Hey, make we go.
Why? Be me then you go to audition. I know.
Go. Hey, think color like your love.
Because you saw about why?
Now
why? I can't.
Guy, now only the babes they enter, they come out. And this is the fourth girl. Oh, how are they doing this thing now? Sister, please, can you smell my perfume?
What perfume?
Oh, the one I'm wearing. You know? Oh, can't smell it. She knows smell. Yep. Why are you boosting your body odor on the girl like that?
How will you call my perfume my cologne body odor? Use it. This is perfume. Please, can you smell mine?
Your perfume, it's fake.
I sprayed it 3 days ago, so it will ripen and boost the smell. You can't smell it. I'm sure you have kata.
So, are you also here for the interview?
Interview? No, I'm here for the job.
You are mistaken. This is the queue for those going for the interview. Yes, those who have the job, I think they are the workers working here, so you can ask. They'll show you. This is for the interview section. Why? Oh, sorry.
You're here for the job.
Sit here for God.
Next.
Sit there. What is wrong with me? We are all going to this room. You are coming to sit here. So when the best person comes, the person will come and sit here.
Me sorry, I no back. Me check me wala to me wala sa. But you will carry a crowd with the car. One who madina wabaka. Hey. Plan A and A, B to Z day. If you got a loan, go fit to pay. Yes, man, this is your do. Would they let them say? No, be not our doc on my woody. Anyway, will you be fear? Now they are gotcha. Will you be fear? Now they are gotcha. Say, will you be fear? Now they are gotcha. Will you be fear? Now they are gotcha. My man cries, I'm a baba shampoo.
I thought you said there was no food for us to eat this morning.
There's no food, of course there's no food.
There's no food. You've gone to buy food and you're hiding here, eating it alone. Moon, is this what you call sister love?
Oh, but damn. What do you mean? Come too fast. Listen to me. You go. I'm just having a quiet time.
I'm not going anywhere. I'm going.
Why do they do like this? Just because you want to sit on the same chair with the girl?
At least I can feel your perfume.
It smells nice.
But on a serious note, why is it just female entry? We've been.
See you later. That is if you get a job.
But we.
Sorry, sister, you get the job already?
As I said before, I'm just here for the formalities.
Hey, yo. My next coming, I'll be a woman. I'll be a woman. That's if I come back. This your baby alone. You can't even afford to be a woman. Will you shut up? But you need to see that guy head. You need to look the guy head.
Wait, maybe they are interviewing the maid servants first.
Maid servant for which this is. What you told him, man? This place resembles palace. What do you next?
And
what is that? Hey! I don't know.
That's why I'm looking for you. The public toilet, the shit room. It has given me infection.
So, you want to tell me that you get chromosomal pele? Wow, closer. Look at the rhythm. Closer. Oh, Juba. You don't know? Ah, closer. Chromosomal pele. Hey, I think I have to check. Lie down, let me analyze you. Lie down and open your leg. Let me check how it is. Is it red or blue black?
Red. Green so count.
Green count. Green means that when something is rotten and is really rotten.
When you stop.
I didn't like the idea of interviewing both of you. So please, just stop confusing me and confusing yourselves.
No, sir. But you asked us to introduce ourselves.
And
I told you my name is Farouk Benjamin, and I stand for no or stop. Waiting again.
And I even told you my name is Couple John, but you know my previous job, I used to use the couple, so you can just omit the couple and just call me John. And I also stand for yes or go.
And how does that exactly relate to your employment prospectus?
Boss, please. We won't take this from you, please. We are elderly people. We can't just sit down here and you'll be using big grammar to insult us. It's not nice.
Small description we gave you. You are here confusing us with big grammar and what to postpone. Right?
Let's move on. It says here that you worked with the police force, right?
Yes.
So why did you stop?
Did we really stop?
It was because of our salary.
No, it's your boss. Your boss, the CEO, asked us to come here and get a job. Yes, he said he will give us a job and he will pay us 5,000 Ghana cedis.
Oh, really?
Yes, every month.
Every month.
Oh, wow.
So, do you have the job?
Not yet. So, no experience in advertising or marketing, right?
Boss, but advertising and marketing. The girl we came here I'm sure she has even gotten the job. And you are here acting as marketing and then your boss here.
Excuse me, but the girl's case is a special one.
Oh, wow. What a different case. So please, can you tell us what she did so we can do to be different?
You do not understand. Please, let's get straight to the point, okay?
No. You have to answer us. Yes. We need to know what she really did because we need the job. Did she dance? Did she dance as well inside the room? Inside the office? No, John, let me be very clear. I need to be sure what she really did to get the job.
There is no music to dance. Just
because we are here to get the job. We can do anything to be special.
Let me check.
Say.
Tell me where they are.
Come here.
Get up and go to the pharmacy there. Drugstore now one.
I can't go alone.
I should take you to the pharmacy.
Take me to the pharmacy.
This is what you have to do. Bemu. Never let us someone and be true. Show
when you stop that, I'm go alone. I'm shy. Let's go together. I want to go and say what? Let's go together.
That is what I call baptism. Boss, we are used to this. Now go away.
I'm go alone.
Look, if the public toilet is giving you corrosive and PDDR, it's better you find 24. You know 24.
I'm not sure bad.
The black polythene bag. And then that place, you deposit some in. Or go to the bush there. Dig some hole, throw it inside, you cover and you come back. But how many times can you do that?
Take me to the pharmacy.
I can't go. Oh. Let's go there. This is normal sickness. Every woman can have this.
I'm shy. Take me.
Get out of here. What is this?
Go with me.
I'm not going anywhere.
Money, me and you.
Go.
Money, me and you.
Am I a doctor?
Me and you.
Am I a doctor?
If you go with me, I'll go alone.
Go.
Easy. I'll go and change and go alone.
Me, my hair used to. Me.
I'll get you. I'll get you.
You get me where?
I'll get you.
Where? Why? What? Abua. Say all that. I never go home. You find me cheated.
On behalf of all the police force, I would like to apologize on his behalf. You know, the thing is, he had a fatal accident when he was a kid. Nitimbo ho drama. Nyamane butu. Ane butu kakra. Tell you cry unya nyumana kasa no nyemwe obesa amade ache. Yeah, sorry.
Then I can say so for both of you.
Both are they together? No, both float. We're trying to start to resolve both float. In fact, that is why your boss asked us to come together for the job.
Okay, let's move on. So what is marketing?
Finally. That's it. I've been waiting for this. And you ask us this door, then
I see. Tell me then, what is marketing?
So marketing is when you buy and sell.
I don't like that. See, Farouk, you've been worrying my life. You've been tormenting me since morning. I hate this. Was the question directed to you? He looked at me and he asked me marketing. What did you rehearse at home? He was going to ask me advertising there now and
so I've answered marketing now. So when they ask advertising, you answer.
You asked marketing. I didn't know.
You mixed it.
Was marketing no to man why nama.
That's it for him.
Because we've rehearsed. Where's a better edition, Mr.
Seriously, where are the two of you from?
Jupiter.
Huh?
We are aliens.
Boss, me.
Any better we dey run things like Ponko. Yes, say yes, soon ya man quiet. Oh, yeah, boni pass a pompo. Somebody make you hustle for money. They sweet like honey. I tell you, my body. Oh, bro, nothing go on any no.
Madam, how may I be of help to you? Hi. Hello. How may I be of help to you? Is everything okay? Okay, I think I get it now. Insect one daily at night for 3 days, okay?
My friend, I'm tired. Me, I can't be walking long.
Working time, I know the play. Cause I have some business.
Do you know how many nights I spent writing this
I
CV?
don't want to talk about this.
I've never written a CV in my life. But see, I spent the whole night to write this CV. And then we go and you tell us, you give us 500. 500? How? You don't even know my other couple. The couple I used to work with, couple John. If we man depot, do you know how much we make? We make 600. That will even pocket 100. That will go and make sales 500. Then we'll give commander 300. Balance 200. And then you come and tell us you give us 500 for a month. How? I have a feeling there's something he's doing with those girls. Which ladies?
Girls that came for the interview. Especially the one that says she's coming for the job herself.
No, there were 3 girls. Which of the girls?
That very one that came, that sat beside me the one I asked if my perfume was smelling nice. That went inside with a ponytail. She came out with scattered hair. Didn't you notice? Very happy. There is something going. You remember when I was asking him in the office, what exactly do they do that gets them the job?
So, are you thinking what I'm thinking?
What am I thinking? I'm done thinking it. That's what I'm telling you.
He said you pay us 500, eh? No problem. See, let me tell you something. This is what we are going to do.
500.
You pay 500. You will pay us 500 for us.
Me sorry, I no back. Me check me wala to me wala sa. But you will carry a crowd with the car. One born home at the wabaka. Hey, plan A and A, B to Z day. If you got a loan, go fit to pay for it. Yes, man, this is your do. Would they let them say? No, be a car with a no woody. Anyway, will you be fear? Now they are coach. Will you be fear? Now they are coach. Say, will you be fear? Now they are coach. Will you be fear? Now they are coach. My man cries, say, me baba shampoo. You for be irate. Economic planning, I didn't know. You for be irate. Nan kebe den why you hear me. You for be irate. Takashina your dinner, I didn't know. You for be irate. My man cries, say me baba shampoo. You for be irate. Economic planning, I didn't know. You for be irate.
You for be irate. Man when in medical. Yeah, you my ding nesika ne beba yo. Men show be a some fans wasa. So what's that boy here? Men me sat down so. Eke ponku anka. Men wan suisha mane huru. Hey, na me de intina tum. I drink kasi ye ne kalabule. I me de nam ne da ye beche be bossu. Me tomum babahu. Fa wasa kambishu.
Okay. You this my pa. Give me the stick. You this fake white man. You this fake white man.
No,
so you think that you are smarter than me?
Are you?
Me, a whole big mama. A whole money. Number one, never say die until the bones are rotten. Me, you won't show me say you are smarter than me. Now, before I start, where is today's sales? Give me today's sales. Fun.
Is it?
Are
you right? That's me. I can't business. I start no. You can't sport market give me. I know with 2 minutes. If you can't sport market give person.
You don't give me attitude. You don't give me attitude.
No. But you what's up?
Hey, where's your money?
Not getting the money. We start now. Where it comes.
You learn attitude and you feel that you can do that on me. Meboa. Ube to me a transfer of fake attitude no. Aba when you swad here. When I never say when you swad here. Who they buy me so?
We sick self, we go to hospital, we sick. Malaria catch me, we sick. The money self nothing to eat.
Now, if not today, more than a week now.
That one I tell you, we sick, we no can job. We do not can job.
More than a week now, Juma now this kind of Google to me. Who a sick hospital bill anyway.
You
so that see
there is in this one.
Give me the money before I
Big Mama.
With this thing.
Big Mama.
Big Mama.
You go beat me.
No.
You go beat me.
Big Mama.
Try me.
No.
Come on, shit.
Give me. Everything you have for you.
Big Mama.
Give me.
Big Mama.
Give me.
Big Mama.
Give me.
Hey.
I know where you guys hide them under the things. Peace Kololo.
Hey. Big Mama, you do something me, Charlie. I will come out. I will come out. My eye give you.
You go come out. Your eye give me. Me, I will come out. My whole body show you. Swear down. Try me.
You left me. I give money. Give you left me.
Try me.
Oh, Big Mama left me. You left me.
Give me the money.
You give me.
You
space.
too, hey.
You scan pay.
Give me money.
You pay.
Give me all the money before that stupid boy finish. Give it to me. What? You make them go. 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 You
You still there here? You still there here? See, until money they chase us. Scatter, scatter pie. You there here to do yare ya? Yare go you have to for you.
Nokofio, yeah. Ay, na 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 na.
Ahunto bebe fiane fina na nyame, Elija bebe fiane fina na nyame. Mayeko, mayedi. Mishonyami. Hallelujah. Ene dia me ba mo mu ya adwuma. Ada na nipa wo ya adwuma na wo nya adoye. E wasa wo ya adoye na kwan bi timi bia ma wo. Etimi wia me kira kwan no aba. Na mishraw ate mame. Be ma na ani din sa wo so. Oba baba wo wale o. Ensuro wadanfo beg ani nya agrodi. Na ni brewo. Aha. Ahunto bebe fia na fina na nyame. Eni je bebe fia na fina na nyame. Maye ko mama wo me na mishraw ate. Mami na me to nkwanem. O baba ya no. Woni be ma bi didi nkomo. Obeyi wa firi wo ha wo mu. Obeyi wa firi ahukire wate. Uni so be dan wo se ya wate. Se udidi maye ya hiafo bi die. Na mishraw mami. Amen. Ahunto be fia na fina na nyame. Eni je be fia na fina na nyame. Maye ko ye be me na mishraw wate. Usua de na mane ntina wadu. O mama ni pakese ya wate. Na mi shesha mo ahunto bebe fia na fina na nyame eni je bebe fia na fina na nyame mayeko mayedi mishonyami hallelujah mudidi amumo obibini yeni ya sum nyame yeni ya ka bible mu asem kire mu ya kire mu nkwaje asem ade na munya adoye ahunto bebe fia na fina na nyame eni je bebe fia na fina na nyame mayeko
yes, that alone just a run in a me medi. Say one man super born and kagari. Page my baby, oh yeah, what parry.
You're confusing me, guy.
Wait. See.
Can we need money? Because me, I don't even know what to do now. I don't even know what to do.
Call the lady.
Why?
Call her. Tell her we bring the money tonight.
This is my guy. So you get the money now, you don't tell me.
Shut up, idiot. If I have the money, you would have paid there and there. I don't have it.
Yeah, we won't get the money from.
Okay, I know if you ride this motor, king or people to motorbike. It's not a motor. Look beyond the motor. Be sharp, yo. Police uniform. The police uniform, yes. For sell for what? Why are we going to wear a police uniform? All we need is a barrier. Just one barrier from 8 to 8.
We should steal it. Yes. Or borrow it.
Borrow from who? Use your head sometimes. You have to steal it and go and go barrier.
Nokofio, Nokofio, Madam Penis, Kuayaka. Nokofio, Yama, area kete.
What an hour.
Nokofio, Tamba, Ben Praya, Mente. Atomi, yeah. In your best and in your beddy. Yes, that alone just a running on me meddy. So one man, super bone.
Hello? Dixon. Oh, it be me. It be Yaro. Hey, it be Ezekiel Amankwa. Oh, yes, it be me. Oh, no. Oh, see, I for call you, but you see, I forget say the day you give me the number, no, because me, I know the scratches me in the bed. So I rep your number, put someplace. So as yesterday, they search your car. I said, no, it lost. I said, no, I rep your number, put some my pocket inside like that. Yeah. Oh, me, I did. Oh, I chalk one side. I chalk one side. But you last time that you meet, you tell me say movement today. So that's why me I dey call you. Cause me Adamo. I dey hung. Wallah me I dey hung. Make a come office. When? Okay. But you well, I don't know the place you are. Okay, for if I reach Madina Zongo Junction. Okay. The woman in the cell watching for them, no. Alright. Sadiki, wallah me I go come there. You don't know me. Sadiki, see. Sadiki, you do all. Wallah, you do all. Hey. Oh no, not my number be. It be this that thing. Some roadside number be where you know me I take call you. See. What's your idea?
No, you look like a thief. I'll secure and describe. Should in case anybody come.
Like security.
Yes. Hurry up. Double your steps.
Hurry up. Nokofio and you marry a dying now. Nokofio, Nokofio, Madam Penis, Guayaka. Nokofio, Niyama, area kete. Nokofio, Yenua, Metalia kete. Nokofio, Kaba, Ben Praya, Mente. Atomia drinking, yeah. In your best and in your beddy. Yes, that alone just a running on me meddy. So one man, so about Nankagari. The baby payo, ya wapari. Free said, no, brain, no, dear. Get them, we may come up on chinking free. No, near was so no, dear. Nokofio, Tina, Metunia, yeah. Nokofio, and you may die now. Nokofio, to me, if Yayaka. Nokofio, Madam Penis, Guayaka. Nokofio.
Well, I guess you don't do mobile money. You feel do one talking, give me. Oh, if you say something, don't take an answer. I feel chop something small and hit the road. Right now, like 10 minutes. Sadiki, you what? Make I wait. Oh, okay, 5 minutes. Oh, damn. Sadiki. But that one you see me for who something small go chop. They're blind movement. Not blind. Some woman before survive. You if I can go pick better movement. Sadiki Gena. Sadiki, you do all. You do all. Okay.
Aren't you the blind man? Yes, you. Aren't you the blind man?
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay. Aren't you the blind man? I've been seeing you at the traffic lights.
Are you? Be the sister will confuse your head.
Yes, it's you. I've even given you money before.
Oh, sister, what are you talking about?
I've seen you 3 times there.
Oh, sister, why?
I know you.
Me?
It's you.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm not from Ghana. I'm from Chad.
I know.
I'm from Chad.
I know, it's you.
Me?
Oh,
how?
I've given you money before.
Me?
Yes, you. Don't
How?
I know you? Yes.
Yeah.
Traffic light.
It's okay, you don't problem.
Oh, young man, I'm sorry, my money.
Sister, I'm going to Achimota. Can you lead me to my house,
no.
please?
Are you blind?
Yes.
My money.
Sister, don't.
Hey, young man, my money. Hey, my money. Give me my money.
Sister.
You've spoken over 1 minute and you want me to dash it to you. Give me my money.
Please, I don't have anybody.
You don't have anybody saying. You are here saying what lie. Me to what lie. You don't know me. Go and ask.
Sister.
Give me my money and let me go. You are wasting time. Make us saying, bruh, sister, Nancy's can you? Mommy wants to do nothing call.
You shout.
I dey shout. Give me my money.
See, the person won't do talking.
Oh, you won't do talking, so make her do what? Give me my money, make her
but
go.
wait, if the money comes.
Give me my money.
Hey, sister, what me going to pay my?
Me go and say, give me my money. Share. Give me my money. Give my money.
Oh, you.
For mommy and son, Major, give me my money.
But leave me.
Oh, give me my money.
Hey, one more deal.
You dey check? Give me my money. Time they go. Give me my money.
I mean, I call you here right now because me get one important issue me I don't want to discuss with you, you know. The issue there on the tabletop be say, you see, I recruit people, make we do some traffic vandalization. But I say that people them think say them smarter than me, them treat me the. Them people, them eye red past me, say. Them eye red. Blood type of red. Blood type. Them people cheat on me, you know. But you know, when something is spoiling, you know, say all the good thing they open for you. And I think one other business. I mean, I know if you do business without you, you know. I don't say I owe you. Me, I won't do so many things. Me, I can't settle my bill. The other business, me, I think they go be rich. With them children, them squander my money. I won't come out to this place, man. I'm here tired of this place. My baby, they scratch every day. I buy today medicine, tomorrow you go poo-poo again, still you go scratch. This business I get. You, if you try that business, self, you go get money past despite self. Because of the nature of how God created you. The body size and the urban you fit get. All you need you need like 1 week study where you for put your head, get closer to the Bible, know some quotation and that's it. I say, as I come from the street, I see some people, them set up them a business where I corner for one corner. I chalk, they study their business. And I swear down this business, we go have one a breakthrough.
Wow. What a beautiful lady.
Thank you.
Please sit down. What can I do for you?
I was told you needed a lawyer for your case.
Yes, I need a lawyer for my businesses and my personal self. If you know what I mean, my personal self. If you're good to me, I could do a lot for you. For example, help you to set up your own firm. There was a chap here, he was so lazy and incompetent I had to fire him.
Hello? Sorry, sir. As lawyers, you always have to be thinking. I'm sorry.
Well, that guy was not doing that. Listen, I had issues with lands that I bought some time back. Apparently, the owners of the land sold it to different people.
Wow. So, do you have documents to prove?
I have all the documents.
Good. Can I have a look at them?
Take it easy. You're too hungry for work.
Where? And we don't need too many gadgets. We don't need too many space. We don't need too many people. All we need be on a Bible. Yeah, African men, we buy Bible. We say we be Christian, but we buy Bible now, we put for on a bedside. Or maybe Sunday we look at it or we pick it to church. Church crown, you see them get some projector and things. So they open on a Bible self. But me wanna use them Bible, make we do business. I am at the new business we say. The street gospel. The street preachings. The street gospel, Hey, I get voice, you get voice. Or if no be ourselves, we feel rent people, we feel hire people where them know the Bible inside. They know how to sing, they know how to, speak their tones.
Money. Say they will flare me. Okay, say me benyesika. I say despite Nemi say, ye can be about cookie and a good. And they broke money. And I said diamond. Me to be the business be me do and die business na me. Who name me? Me bonitin mania tentenda. Because me said ye for broke money. Wait. Me ko fa people be na me fan ko gina. Se me di ko hu me ho sam de ko ye den yo. Muni. Man tete was out. Me tete I read. Queen's way. Obi ria wasan be ka se me di tuma san yin sesan. Me yam no physical. Nam nim se me ria am ko dem 3. Maybe 3 days and 4 days. Because nim se me bon ya be chimatum. Jai. Ja.
You know we say I want you make a do. I was using you for example.
Because me kita Bible no be come here mehwe no. Ya be chimatum to me nanya kula. Jai.
People go shock say man like you they preach the size of your body, you go attract people to come watch you. The amazing part be say when you sing, I. Oh, da 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 yeah. When you do that, them go marvel. But them go bring the money, the offering. Where me, I won't look on the money. Obviously, I'm looking on the money means me na make sure scan so. Yeah, I go look after the money as in I go check, I go keep am. I be treasurer, you know, I be financier. I go keep am well. And then my secretary, she look decent. She be preach, oh, she go preach. Okay. Where you go be the security? Okay. If you can preach.
Money da. Say yes, I go akonya ninchaya. Emi menyu na mafanko. You want me to front? You want me to be the one to front? No. Money da.
Our secretary purpose.
American. She. I and I ought to hear this. She nenim. Oh, innocent face. Oh, what innocent now? So I won't know about the Najama. A frabon point. You want to start to do a preacher.
Like I said, I could change your whole life, you know, if you would agree to be my personal lawyer.
I'm so sorry, sir. I can't do that.
Why not?
It's against my ethics as a lawyer. I can't.
Forget about ethics. Your judges are collecting goats and sheep, you know, but I just want to change your life for you. I want to make things better for you because I like you.
Okay, sir, can I suggest something?
Yes, go ahead.
I have this friend of mine who has been waiting for an opportunity like this, and if you don't mind, I would like to.
Is she also a lawyer?
No, please.
You young ladies of today, I don't understand you. You are getting such an opportunity and you're shoving it to somebody else. Huh?
I understand what you're saying, sir. But this friend of mine that we are talking about is much more hotter, sexier, prettier than me. Yes.
I see. So can you bring her here tomorrow?
Not so fast. You have to assure me of giving me a job here, then I can bring her.
Okay. That's a deal.
Deal?
So you bring her tomorrow?
Early tomorrow morning.
I'll look at her. If I like it, you get your job.
You are definitely going to love her. Trust me.
Okay.
See you tomorrow morning, sir.
Yeah, Nokofio be hu no mo bo.
Wama
Obey. See a cast on fast account to me, dear. On you know me. Obeku me simple. What? Some no point to me. Ah, mommy. Only me, Papa. When the Pacumi me hobby. You need someone here me talent. Sir,
I know. She Miss Marian. Hey, to one sack left, right. Them pepper away.
You should them pepper away na. Them pepper. The water to one sack. Oh, them Bessiana me pe. Them pepper. Lydia no me assure. The one pepper.
Share. You to one or innocent face. Share. Money share.
Say that go. Bongutu apre. Mame. Bape. Puri bom fire. I
am nine. Unda makai.
Many me assure say program name
Respect.
Na me amate to me pani mo. Me na me nko gina nko gimi.
I know, you know.
Who say me na me met my ski to work no. Me na me met my sanas.
I know.
Me she sense so here.
Ode bra men kan sem go aso. What's a business? We don't want you me be gina. Oni baby. E be twini baby won later. Na why you start here wa bon say money I know what's up.
Na money wa already wa kole ye. say men, my head do my check. Me minimum police for trick. What you say? Say me this creature. Obedient mentally because me menamo abakasi asumame. Me nenamo me who say movement be a banner me diemlika ma bema formation. Into preaching a ministry. Meet me no office can so unquant measures any more. And a man can am a boy.
The bedroom. A bedroom, what I someone impressed me about me. Oh, I am nice. Big ups, man. Big ups, man. Respect. Cheers out. Hey. Hallelujah! I didn't know. Hallelujah! Praise the Lord!
Farouk, this shirt has gone to the tailor 3 times.
Still, it's not your size.
What you are seeing is even the slim fit.
See the way your friend is looking. My boss, he doesn't share body. He'll peel her off like you see ripe banana, peel her off and swallow her like column.
My goodness! And yes, what catch rest of what is say? One my GDA, one flow to GDA.
And the Obi, I have from the data. You guys in the ever too high. A brand new day, one power. So, we a bear man, as a water fuck, what to what is so. Rainbow Boba, but it is so I give it to what you know. Nokofio, Nokofio, it's what me. Nokofio, Nokofio,
Run this town.